Here's how to fix Nvidia installation error code E0006000. This error almost always means your current Nvidia driver version is incompatible with the version of the Nvidia app you are trying to install. The fix is to update your drivers directly from Nvidia's website rather than through the app itself. Open your browser and search for Nvidia drivers download. Go to the official Nvidia site and enter your GPU model, for example, RTX 3060. Select your Windows version and click Find. You will see two driver options. Game Ready driver is optimized for gaming performance and is updated alongside major game releases. Studio driver is tuned for creative applications like video editing and 3D software and tends to be more stable between updates. Choose whichever fits your primary use. Click View, then Download. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Choose Express installation for the quickest setup or Custom installation if you want to select specific components. Once the driver installation completes, restart your PC and try installing the Nvidia app again. The compatibility error should now be gone since the app and driver versions will match. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.